ఏందో నాకు తెలియదు.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected headmaster sir and all teachers. First of all, I wish the happy Science Day. Wishes to all my dear friends and teachers. Science has always been the backbone of human progress. Science Day is celebrated every year on Feb 28 in India. The discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman 1928. We celebrate this day to create awareness about the importance of science in our daily life. C.V. Raman full form is Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. The theme for National Science Day 2025 Global Science for Global Well-being. No science, no future. Science of today, technology of tomorrow. Thank you all.